Good morning class, welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Insaganji Department of Information Technology. Today start on 24th lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C. We already know which are our vision and mission statement of our department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. After that, departmental mission statement, in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third one is that to imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. After that, next slide, syllabus. You already know what is the syllabus of our course, that is subject. In under 5 units are there. We already completed unit number 1 and unit number 2. Okay, now we continue this. Now we start the new chapter, that is unit number 3, stacks and queues for 20 marks. That under points are continued. Course outcomes means after the completion of course, what you achieve. In under that 5 COs are there. CO3, implement operations on stack and queue using array representation. This CO is achieved after the completion of unit number 3. After that, next slide, stacks and queue, that syllabus means the sub points are there. After that, syllabus of that stacks and queue, under the main sub 2 points are there, which are introduction to stack and introduction to queue. In under the sub points are there. These sub points are one by one we are studied. Okay, will be studied on lectures wise. Next point, on today's lecture we continue the unit number 3. Okay, in that difference between two different representations of stack in array and linked list. Okay, in last two lectures we already studied the memory representations of stack in array and in a linked list also. On that today's lecture we will be study what is the difference between on that using array and using linked list. And also on today's lecture we already studied the program on a previous lecture, that using only through Turbo C3 how will we run, that are learn on today's lecture. Okay, so start the point, difference between two different representations of stack in array and linked list. In that difference is that we already studied stack representation of array and stack representation of linked list. Okay, in that difference, first difference is that it is called static implementation of stack. Okay, means what? It is stack representation using array. In that implementation, how will be implementation is done? Using static, means constant. After that, it is called dynamic implementation of stack. In this using through linked list, the stack is implementation using dynamic, means change. Okay, stack means constant, dynamic means change. Okay, after that, second difference is that this method does not provide flexibility, because as the size of stack has to be declared, then there will be no change in the size after program design. Means what? In that said that this method is not provide the flexibility. Means what? In a array, first of all, size of stack means our size of that array will be declared. After that, v elements are entered. Okay, in that size is not changed, so in that set that it is not provide to flexibility. Okay, means for example your size is declared 5, then you will be maximum 5 elements to be stored on that stack because you declare the 5. So in that set that no change that size on that run time, so in that set it is the not provide to flexibility. And in other side this method does provide flexibility as the size of list can grow infinitely. Means what? In this method provide this flexibility means what? In that size will be changed on that of the program runnable, means infinitely we change the size because it is the implementation is dynamic and it is implementation of static, so no change in that dynamic implementation, so change the size on that runtime. Clear that? Second difference is clear. Okay, after that third difference in a static representation using array, in that first side or said that memory space is wasted. Okay, means what? Because of storing less number of elements in the array than the maximum size of array. Means what? In that set that memory space is wasted. How will be done? How will be memory space is wasted? For example, we declare the maximum size is 5 and we store the value only for 2. Means three elements their size is wasted. Clear that? How will be wasted the space of memory? Okay. In that set that size is not changed. Okay, in that for example we declare in a array, we already know, first of all you know, in a array size will be declared. Okay, for example your size will be declared 10. Okay, means maximum 10 elements are stored on that stack and you will be given only for input as a 5 elements, so remaining 5 elements space are wasted. So in that set that memory space is wasted. And memories in the other side, memory space is not wasted. Okay, because memory space is allocated only when the user wants to push an element onto the stack. Clear that? Means what? On in the other side, means in a linked list memory space is not wasted because into the linked list concept is that it is implementation using through dynamic, means their sizes will be changed, or in that linked list memory how will be allocated onto the runtime. So when user want to push an element, means insert an element onto the stack, that time space is allocated and that space that elements will be stored. So in that said that memory space is not wasted. Clear that? Why we not wasted? Because it is dynamically through memory is allocated onto, means on a runtime memory is allocated. Okay, when we user who want to push the element, okay, means what? When user want to space or use, okay, onto the memory, that time allocated the memory. So in that said that memory space is not wasted. Clear that? Okay, after that next difference is that insertion and deletion operation in a stack using an array involve more data movement. Okay, means what? This statement is meaning that in onto the stack when we insert and deletion operation is performed, means push and pop operation is performed on that stack, then that time their that array involve more data movement. Means what? For example your array is size is 5 elements and you inserted 4 elements in for 0 location, 1 location, 2 location, 4th location, 5th location. For example you want to 0th location element, then you first of all delete the element of size 4, 3, 2, 1. After that you get the array size of array 0th position of value. So in that set that when we insert and delete the operation or perform on that stack using through array, that data are movement. Okay, but in the other side it is not that type because it is a dynamically we allocated the memory and store the value, and which data you want, only for that data you get it. using through linked list. Means what? The first advantages of this method is that insertion and deletion operations do not involve more data movement, just the changes of pointers. Okay, means what? In a linked list, pointer concept are used. Okay, means in that last element is pointed to the next element. Okay, means what? In that means any elements are stored that are linked to the next element. When any insertion or deletion operations are performed, then which elements we want, that pointers only for move it. So no data will be movement. So in that said that no, not involved to the more data movement. But in a array, data members are movable. Okay, because any one elements are you want, then all members are insertion or deletion. But in other side, no, is required, because using through pointers, which on two elements are insert and delete, only that operations are performed on it. So clear that? Fourth difference. After that, fifth difference is that less space is used for each data element, means no pointer is used. So in that, less space is used only for that which data elements are inserted, that only space is used. So in that save that less space. In that onto the other side, more space is used for each node because pointer fields are involved. Clear that? In that, more space is used because each nodes means one date which elements are stored, that space also required, and one field is added on through in a linked list, which field? Pointer field. So that purpose through you require the space. So in that said that more space is used for each node. Clear that? In the array, only for elements are stored. In that linked list, that elements are so stored, and also one field is will be added, which field? That pointer field. So in that said that more space is used. Clear that? These are the 5 difference of that questions, means stack representation using array and linked list. This question not asking on any exam, but syllabus is there, so that point are added. Okay, question ask for 2 marks, then two differences, right? A question for ask for 4 marks, then 4 points are write it. Okay. After that, program for array representation of stack and program for array representation of stack and program for linked list representation of stack. Okay. These 2 programs we are already studied onto previous lectures one by one. Okay, but and program also studied, but on that today's lecture, these programs how will be run through Turbo C, that are shown, that will be shown on today's lecture. Means using through Turbo C using through Turbo C software, through how will we run that program, that are seen on that today's lecture. Okay, this program of using array, okay, because it is these both are header files, include std and conio. After that, one header files is define the maximum size of that stack is 5, means maximum 5 elements you will be stored. Okay. Defines that constant. Okay, that max 5 declare, means what? Their max size is 5, up to 5 elements you are stored on that stack. After that, it is the global variable. Okay, you already know local variable and global variable. Okay, global variable declaration and local variable declaration. Local variable means that variables are accessed only for that function. Okay, that within function, and global means that variables are used overall all programs. Okay, so in that top is one variable taken, stack is one variable taken, is array variable, and in that size is pass max, means 5 are pass. After that, top is equal to -1 is initialized. That push pop display, these are the 3 functions are taken. Function, there are 3 types, means function types, not functions will be declared using through 3 steps. First is function definition, function call, and function declaration. These are the function declaration statements: push, pop, and display. After that, void main. In that, variables are taken ch for choice purpose. Clear screen, window will be clear. After that, stack menu. This printf function we already studied, already told in every time. Scanf function is used for input purpose. Printf function is used for output purpose. And in also printf function, 2 advantages are there. One is that only for actually output, when we want to output is display. After that, that time also use printf function, and when only message is displayed, that time to also use the printf function. After that, this menu will be displayed. In that, /n is used, so every menu is displayed on a new line. Clear that? 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for display, 4 for exit. After that, while is used for infinite loop. While loop is which purpose for use? Infinite loop purpose. Okay. After that, printf, that enter your choice, means message is displayed. Scanf, using through scanf, this number will be in scan and stored in a ch variable. Data specifier is %d is used because ch is a integer. Okay, for integer % is used. After that, switch case is used. Okay, why we use the switch case? Because you use the menu. Okay, so case 1, under the case 1, push operation is called. This is the call function call. Under the case 2, pop function is called. After the case 3, display function is called. After in a case 4, exit function is called. And in a default statement is run. Wrong choice. When we press the number out of 1, 2, 3, 4, that time display the message wrong choice. Okay, and after that break, this complete your switch and while. After get ch, your while main is complete. In that, after that, these statements are function definition. First of all, while push. Okay, in that, variables are taken. Variables are taken. In that, if top is equal to max minus 1. Okay, means for you already known this concept of stack. Okay, if top is equal to max minus 1, then this message is displayed, stack is full. Okay, top is where top is inserted on the stack. Top in which place or in which position through the data are inserted or removed. Okay, push and pop operations are performed, that positions are said to be top. Okay, and when top is equal to max minus 1, okay, means the stack is full. Your max is 5 minus 1, 4. When top is equal to 4, that time your elements will be full, because your size is only for 4 and your 4 elements are stored. So in that, stack is full is message is displayed. When top is equal to 4 not, okay, means what? This condition is false, that time display else part. In that, enter the element to be push. Okay, after that, scanf, %d and val. In why we taken a val variable, which insert the element or which elements will be pushed on that stack, that elements are stored into the variable. Which variable? In through the val. It is declared the %d, so use the %. So it is declared integer, so take on a %d data specifier. After that, top is equal to top plus 1, means top to initialize, top is equal to 1, means what? Top is incremented. Okay, means your pointer will be incremented, not a pointer. That top position is incremented 1 by 1, because in a stack, first of all, last elements are inserted. After that, when second elements are inserted, that onto that first element, second element insert 1 by 1 elements are inserted. So top automatically 1 by 1 is incremented to above. So that stack top is equal to val, that which value are stored, that will be automatically that top locations onto the stack array, that elements will be stored. Okay, for example, we taken this is the condition is false. Okay, means stack is not full. For example, we enter the element could be pushed. For example, we enter the variable 20. Okay, means your first top is equal to -1. Okay, because we declare the to the global variable that top is equal to -1. So in that -1, so automatically -1 and 1 means top is initialized to 0. In stack of 0, 20 number will be 20 will be inserted. After that, on check top 0 is equal to 4. Condition is false. So and again enter the element to push. For example, 20 will be inserted. In that, top is equal to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So top is equal to 1. In stack of 1, second element will be inserted. That so on, that loop is executed. This push function is called whenever we up to your elements will be inserted. After that, pop function. In that check, first of all, stack is empty. Okay, when you use the stack, that time two conditions are checked. One is the stack is full or stack is empty. Okay, when we use the stack is empty, when pop operation is used, and when we check the condition stack is full when push operation is performed. Okay, means what? In pop means you delete the item. Okay, your stack is already empty, then how will be deleted? So in that check, stack is empty or not. And push means inserted. Your stack already push or completed full, then how will be you inserted? So onto the push operation, check the condition stack is full. Okay, so next part, pop. In that check, top is equal to -1. Okay, means your top is equal to -1 means your that top position or that top place onto the stack is initialized to -1 means automatically said that stack is empty. This condition is false, then else part is executed. Printf that deleted elements is %d, that stack of top element, okay, that top positions is automatically deleted. After that, top is equal to -1 means that top position is automatically minus by one place. Okay. For example, your stack, the stack is size is 5, okay, and you insert the 3 elements, means in that 3 is top. 3 is equal to -1, condition is false, so in that statement is run. Okay, in that 3, okay, stack of 3 that will be deleted, means that are in that statement is display using through %d. Okay, that stack of 3 element. After that, your top is automatically -1 means 3 minus 1 2 means top is assigned to that top numbers are assigned to 2 means automatically that top pointer is decremented by 1. Okay, and so that automatically that above elements will be removed. These concepts are used. After that, display function. How will be elements will be displayed? When we display the function, that will be first of all check that stack is empty. Then your stack is empty, then how will be displayed the numbers? So check the condition. Top is equal to -1, stack is empty. Condition is false, then false part is executed. Through the false part, element in a stack, the message is displayed. In that check, condition is check, loop is used because in that array is used, so loop will be automatically used because you repeat the statements. I is equal to top, okay, I greater than is equal to 0, condition is true. Okay, means that stack of I are automatically 1 by 1 displayed. Okay, you use the array, in that we take the I variable because onto that array your pointer or your memory is incremented using through I variable. So taken I variable. First of all, I is equal to top means your, for example, your maximum size is 5, then I is equal to 5. 5 is greater than 0, condition is true. Then stack of 5 number will be automatically displayed. After that, -1 means 5 to 4. 4 is greater than is equal to 0, condition is true. In stack of 4 will be displayed. After that, 3, 2, 1, 0 0 0 stack of 0 also display, and after that 0, after that -1 is condition is false, then automatically exit on that function, display function. Clear that? These are the 3 functions. Now we run that program. First push. Okay, using through twice 3 means display, numbers are display automatically, 30, 20, 10 because it is stack. Push the element, deleted element is 30 and top will be automatically decremented, means your top, first of all your top location is 30 and top will be decremented, means top will be in decrement location to 20, means automatically 30 will be deleted. So this concept are used onto the pop operation. For example, we given to the 7 wrong answer and 4 choice for the exit, so exit the program. Clear that? Okay, your statement one by one also we run to see using through f8 function. Which function? f8. Okay, for example, one will be displayed. So push function is called, so for example 30 will be inserted. Okay, that break. After again we call given the choice first, in that check 1, so case 1 is executed, so push function is executed. For example 50 numbers are given. After that choice is 3, for example display. Okay, this is display. For example, 2 function is, sorry, 2 choice is given, then 2 case are run. Okay, for example we run 8 number are given, then check default case is run, where we given the 4, then third case is run, sorry, fourth case, dash line. You see how will we run it, how will we program is run and their output also. This is also learned in a previous lecture using through PPT, but on to the today's lecture using through Turbo C software to run that. Okay, this program is to given to your practical, experiment practical. So I am taken. Okay, next program is that same program but using through linked list, means that concept are also all are same are used, means what that pop operation, push operation, display operation, that 3 functions are work, that concept or that logic are same is used, only for representation of that stack is changed using through array and using through linked list. And linked list means you use the pointer. This concept are we again study on the unit number next chapter, means under the linked list. Okay, that time you clear your all points. Okay, and this points is not necessary under this chapter, only for only for the syllabus is that using through array, but there are main two representation of stack, one is the array and one is the linked list. So your only for understanding purpose that points are added. Okay, this program, this concept is not need to the under the unit number 3, but in under the next chapter under the linked list that points are clear. Okay, means again with these points are studied under the unit number 4. Okay, that also these are the header files. After that this is the in that take the structure name is node. Okay, after that is the variable, in a structure we said that the data members, in that it is the variables are taken. Okay, pop and node. Okay, struct variables. After that push, pop, display, these functions are declared. is while main. In that choice means these concepts are same in that onto the array. After that this message is displayed. In that switch case is used. That function is called push pop. After that display. After that exit default, same on a previous program. And in that only this concept is also same, but only for using through linked list. Means in that variables are taken val, in that taken the variables are taken temp. In a difference in that we use, in that said that the one field is extra field is used, means temp means pointer field is used. Okay, in that taken a variable temp. So in that said that memory space is more because in that pointer field is added. Okay, that pointer field is temp. After that which elements will be added, that val, using through val variable to store it. After that in that said that linked list is dynamic implementation, means what, using through malloc function that memory location is allocated when we function is run, sorry program is run. After that in that pointer is used. In your previous semester you said you studied the under the C language subject structure using pointer. When we structure members are accessed using through pointer, that time your syntax is that pointer name. After that it is said as the arrow operator, or also known as the membership operator. After that member name. Okay, in that data is the member name. So in that temp, after that array operator, after that data. Okay, means data field is run. In that two fields are there, data and next. In a data there actually elements are stored, and in a next that pointer will be stored, means that pointer to the next element. And that val in a val variable value is automatically stored on that data, means using through pointer. After that check that top is equal to null. Okay, it is not null, then assign the null to the that temp pointers next field. Okay, means pointer will be assigned. Otherwise else this top is equal to not null, means in that one elements is already stored. So which elements are stored, that next is automatically assigned the top. And after that temp is assigned to that top, means which temp value is stored, that value is automatically stored there top point, sorry top location. Okay, after that pop function. And also first of all check the stack is empty or not. Okay, after that not empty, then else part is executed. In that elements will be deleted. Which element? In that also pointer is used. So first of all in that members how will be used, using through syntax pointer name, after that arrow operator, after that member name of that structure. Okay, in a field data there actually elements are stored, so that members are called, and using through next field, in that pointers are stored. Okay, means point to the next element, then automatically that data will be deleted and their pointer is assigned to the top. And free the temp, means automatically which elements we are deleted, means topmost elements automatically deleted is. Okay, in that free function is also used. Okay, using the free function that temp is automatically free, means that temp data will be deleted, and automatically that temp next means that pointer is assigned to the top, and top is the next element. After that display, in that first of all check stack is empty. After that not stack is empty, then else part is executed. In that first of all assign that top to that pointer. Okay, temp pointer, temp is the one taken the temporary variable. Okay, because it is the dynamic implementation, because it is a dynamically through also insert and also delete, so temp variables are taken. In that while check that next means that pointer is not is equal to null, then that temp data is displayed, and next that temp pointer is automatically assigned to the next temp. Okay, means stored at that temp. This while loop is executed up to your temp next is not is equal to null. Not is equal to null means where up to all the elements remain instead of zeroth element. Okay, sorry, not a zero, instead of your topmost element. It means what? In temp is next is equal to not null means in that said that the elements are pointed to the next element, okay, and which are the element is topmost, their null pointer is, sorry, their pointer next is null, because no extra above elements are added. Clear that? In that, why it is check the not is equal to null means, not is equal to null means on that pointer any next address are stored, next element address are stored. Okay, and printf, next printf, this is there said that temp data is display, means this printf function is when we said when this condition is false, means is that next is equal to null, means null means that on that elements, on that data no point to the next elements of that point of that stack, that is said as the top element, that will automatically display. Okay, after that your display function is blue. Using this through we function, how will be programs are run that are seen. For example 1, take the which numbers are given in a previous program, that's numbers are given to the input, will be given the input. For the 3, show it, after that 2 numbers deleted, will be deleted, after that wrong choice. Okay, when we given the input as a 4 means exit on your program. That's like clear that. Okay, program concept of logic are same, but only for representation is changed, using through array and using through linked list. Okay, so that programs using through turbo see through software, how will we run that program are seen on today's lecture. Okay, summary on that today's lecture. Studied the point difference between two different representations of stack in array and linked list. After that, program for array representation of stack and program for linked list representation of stack. These two programs are already studied on a previous lecture, but on today's lecture using through turbo see through, how will we run that are seen. Okay. Homework on today's lecture is that assignment number 3 is continue. Write one question is are there, which question write the difference between that two different representations of stack in an array and linked list. Okay, this question is asked for 2 marks, then two points are there, right? And when a question is asked for 4 marks, then write the 4 points. Okay, so here stop on today's lecture. On that lectures, any doubts are arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.